Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So it's officially the autumn season here in Europe and it's just beautiful. It's not so warm, not so cold, just in between. Also my brother is here for the weekend, so I decided let's have a Sunday picnic. It's a beautiful morning, so why not? I decided to make some snacks, some yummy treats, and I'll take them in the park, which is just 5 minutes away from my home. So let's start the video. First, I'll be making some tomato mozzarella cheese sandwiches. The bread options here are incredible. So I got this baguette French bread, also called Stokbrood in Belgium. I'm learning a little Dutch. I'll cut the bread into 3 equal pieces and place the tomato and cheese slices in between the bread. I'll add some salt and pepper and toast it in the oven for a few minutes. It's a very simple sandwich, but with ketchup and dips it becomes very tasty. I think sandwiches are a great option for the picnic because you can use bread and filling of your own choice and totally enjoy it. So I will suggest, if you go for a picnic, make some sandwiches. I absolutely love sweets, so I decided to make a sweet snack for the picnic as well. For this I'll be making a berry strawberry puff pastry. So I got this puff pastry dough from the supermarket. It's a very simple recipe. I just need to cut the puff pastry dough into 4 pieces, equal pieces, put some jam on it. And on top of that I'll just place some fresh cut strawberries, and on that I'll sprinkle some sugar so that it gets extra crispy, and bake it in the oven for 20-25 minutes at around 200 degrees Celsius, and that's it. The dessert is ready. I'm also going to make a second version of this puff pastry by using some chocolate spread and sprinkling some toasted walnuts on top of it, and also baking it. I think it's even more tasty. So I have now 2 desserts to enjoy in the picnic. I'm going to make iced tea. You can use any type of tea, any type of fruits which you want, just be creative. I decided to use chamomile tea, and for fruits I'm going to be using some strawberries and oranges, and I'll be using honey as the sweetener. So to make the iced tea, first I need to take some boiling water in a heat-proof glass container, and then to it I'll add 4 to 5 tea bags. Once the tea infuses completely into the water, I'll remove those tea bags and let this tea cool down completely. I'll be making the sweetener. So for that I'll take a cup. Into the cup I'll add few tablespoons of honey and add some warm water to it and mix it well, and that's it. Sweetener is ready. Now our iced tea is completely cooled down, so I will add lots of crushed ice to it, and then some strawberries, the oranges and the honey water mixture. Mix it well and our refreshing iced tea is ready. Now that my homemade snacks and iced tea is ready, I'll also pack some chips, crackers and dips to take in the park. And finally it's time to have the picnic. watching this video, you also get a little inspired and make some fun snacks and take it to a park to have a nice picnic with your family and friends. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.